liver is one of the major organs of the body and is responsible for eliminating the toxins we ingest through eating, drinking alcohol, medicines, and the products we use in our daily lives. And that's why it's necessary to detox the liver, especially if you want to lose weight. Did you know that it's essential to eat the right foods to keep your liver always healthy? Some good examples are the famous detox juices and propolis. If you want to detox, lose weight, or cleanse your liver, avoid alcohol and fried or processed foods rich in preservatives and additives, since these things overwork the organ. Now let's see 4 beverages that can cleanse your liver and get rid of extra weight. These 4 drinks should be done at night, before sleep. According to traditional Chinese medicine, the liver works better around 1 to 3 a.m. The beverages can offer all the nutrients the liver needs for a good deep cleanse, and that facilitates weight loss. We already talked about warm water with lemon here on the channel, and its many benefits for the liver. To make it, you need 1 lemon and 7 ounces of water. Warm up the water without boiling it, then add the lemon juice. Drink it half an hour before going to bed for 3 weeks. Another way to detox the liver at night is by drinking peppermint tea, which is good for digestion. If you like peppermint, do the following. Boil 8.5 ounces of water and add 2 tablespoons of peppermint leaves. Let it sit for 10 minutes. Then strain and drink half an hour before going to bed. Do it every night for 3 weeks. And since we are talking about tea, why not try ginger and lemon tea? Have you tried this combination yet? Both ingredients are incredible when combined, as they help eliminate excess fat and improve our general health. To make this tea, you will need a piece of ginger of approximately 2 inches, 1 lemon, and 8.5 ounces of water. Boil the water and add the ginger piece and lemon juice, freshly squeezed. Let the tea infuse for 10 minutes. Drink at least 3 times a week for 30 days. Another liver cleansing tea is chamomile tea. It is good in aiding liver cleansing since it has antioxidant properties. Boil 8.5 ounces of water, then turn off the heat and add half a teaspoon of chamomile flowers. Let it sit for 10 minutes, strain and drink. Repeat the process every night for 2 weeks. Now that you know these 4 beverages, try them and see which one works better for your routine.